Good day, Hong Kong employers. My name is Irene Gakutan, 39 years old from Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I am married and have a 17 years old son. I am college level with a course of BSIT major in programming. My working experience in Philippines is taking care of a toddler for 1 year. I also work as janitress in a food court mall for 6 months. And now, currently working as domestic helper here in Saudi Arabia at only one employer since May 2015 up to present. My employer's family have 7 members, the couple parent and their 5 children, ages 24, 21, 19, 17, and 15. My main duties are organizing and cleaning the house, preparing and cooking foods for at least once or twice a day, laundry and ironing clothes, washing dishes, and some other basic works. I am willing to take care of a baby or a toddler. I'll promise to do my job, respect, and follow the rules. And I am willing to learn new things from the new environment. I hope you will choose me as your future helper. I will be happy to work and serve your family in the future. Thank you and God bless.